Welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. Today we are diving into the IFS function, a powerful tool for creating more readable and efficient conditions. Unlike the traditional if function, IFS allow you to check multiple conditions in a single formula. Imagine you are working with a list of student scores and you need to assign grades based on their performance. Without if, normally we have to nest multiple if statement, which can get complicated quickly. But with the ifs function, everything become easier. Let's start by typing out the ifs formula. Begin with an equal sign, type ifs. Now we can define each conditions one by one. First, let's say if the score is greater than or equal to 80, then the result should be excellent. Then, if it is greater than or equal to 60, the result should be good, and so on. Once we press enter, Excel calculate the grade based on the score. Let's drag the formula down to see the grades for all students. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tricks. If you are watching this video on Facebook, please follow my page.